Right, so we finished before with, I'm just going to leave him with his head and no body or neck or shoulders at the moment. I'm just going to minus there to zoom in. Now he's looking good. Let's going to move that down. Let's just find a bit of a pain with the layers. There's too many. It's the brush draw. I can turn the visibility off there for that layer, and then I can see what I'm left with. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is go to his hair. So I've highlighted this layer and I just have the hair selected, and then I'm going to convert this to a symbol. Let's just call this hair. It's going to be a graphic symbol. So I'm just thinking about these as being static graphics at the moment, and say OK. That's converted. I think what I'll do is as I convert them, I'll delete them. It looks rum. So that was the hair, and obviously I'm going to delete the layer. So if I look over in my library, I can see the hairs appeared there, and the background image is there, which is taken from this JPEG. So I'm just going to continue now by going to the face. So I've selected the face there, highlighted, convert to symbol, and it's already on graphics. So we have face, oops, not looking so good now. I mean, I've got a choice here. What I might do is, if I go to the eyes, I can highlight them both, but it would be better to have individual eyes. Now I could do one as the left, one as the right, so let's just say, here we go. Convert to symbol, I would say left eye. Let's highlight this eye, modify, convert to symbol, right underscore eye, and then delete the layer. The background image, I'm going to delete that layer, and then the nose, let's have a see. Oh, unlock this. So you see I got I got the mouth as well on this layer, so I'm going to convert that to symbol. So it's nose, graphic. If I want to deselect this, so I've got the mouth now. Convert this to graphic. Delete the layer. Let's unlock and do the same. So I'm going to use F8 for left ear and F8 for right ear. Right, and then delete them. So I've been deleting everything because it's all going inside the library. So all the pieces are still in there. I'm going to call this layer boy. And then what I'm going to do is insert a new symbol, and I'm going to call this one animated face, and it's going to be a movie clip. So if we're creating a new empty symbol, and this empty symbol is a movie clip, and we're going to say OK. Now inside this layer, or inside this movie clip should I say, I'm going to, that's not what I want face. I'm going to drag the different elements onto the stage. So I'm doing the same thing again really. Head. Now within this head layer I'm going to drag in the objects that that I don't want to animate, I'm going to right click, send that to the back. Where's the right ear? Arrange center back. And I can reposition these in the order. I'm going to lock this layer, make a new layer. This is where the eyes will go. With the left eye, and let's just get the right eye. Make a new layer, just lock that one. I think I might have put the eyes on their own layers. I'm going to go, this is the nose, and drag this onto there. And bring in the mouth. And we could go to frame 5 and do a keyframe. And at that point we could make the mouth a little smaller, go back to frame 1, and I'm going to go to motion tween and then test this movie. So we've got a mouth that sort of moves there, but we can worry about how this looks at a much later date. But essentially we're looking at converting those paint objects into symbols and then creating a movie clip with those elements inside. Okay, that's it for this session.